Today we're here for a technical training day for our reseller partners. We have one of the leading technical experts over from DJI. We also have an actual physical demo of the Matrice 300, along with the latest release as well, the M30 or Matrice 30T.
There's a big demand there at the minute. We consider them a big market leader with innovation in the technology they're developing constantly. So we're always looking for new and exciting ways that we can give our customers the best equipment that meets their needs.
It's all about trying to make it or help our resellers sell as much as possible. So we hope that everyone enjoyed the day and it's been a fantastic turnout.